Day 1, August 21st, 2013. It is the first day of college. I'm Ben, it's my first day, and I want to just... Hey, Jason, you turn the video games down? Thank you. Man, always playing video games. It's college, you should be learning, right? Well, anyways, I wanted to be able to show this video to my kids one day. It's day 1, orientation just started. We have a dance tonight. I can't wait. Maybe get a few numbers, you know, it should be good. And maybe that's somebody I've already met. Now, Jason, see that? We're the most popular people. I bet it's that girl that I met in the dining hall yesterday. And it's Miss Frias.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm here.
Why are you at my college?
I just wanted to visit.
What?
Okay, no, not really. I actually just wanted to come see if you wanted some money.
Yes, please.
Like $250?
Like right now.
Okay, maybe not right now. We have a little bit of a challenge for you.
Explain it to me.
Okay, KTC photo challenge, alright? You can earn up to $250. All we need you to do is go to different offices around your campus, snap a couple pictures of you and the person in the office, and send it to us. Okay, we've made it so easy for you. You can tweet it, you can email it, you can put it on Instagram and use our hashtag KTC Photo Challenge.
Okay.
Right? You have till Friday, September 30th, $25 a picture.
Whoa.
10 pictures, $250.
So, like, what types of offices are we talking about? What's an example?
All the offices that you need to know on campus. Financial aid, academic advising, your RA. Have you met your RA?
No, not yet.
Okay, well, you're going to after you take their picture, right?
Okay.
Sound like a good deal?
Sounds easy enough, but, like, why this? Why taking pictures? Why?
I mean, well, A, it's easy money.
Right. So is a lemonade stand.
Okay,
why
and
is this
B, you're a smart kid, right? And so you need to know where these offices are, and they need to know who you are, right? So you're going to learn your campus, you're going to know where to go. Next time you have some kind of problem, you're going to be fine. You're going to feel comfortable going to that office.
Right. So let me just recap this, basically.
Yeah.
So, I take pictures, like with my phone or something, at an office, like the financial aid office, with somebody else in the photo with me.
Yes.
Who works in the office.
Yes.
I then send it to you in one of many different ways.
Many different ways.
And for that photo, I get $25, and I can do it 10 times for a total of $250.
I knew there was a reason you got accepted to college. You are so smart.
And I know there's a reason you graduated 100 years ago. You should not be in my dorm room. It's time for you to go. Get out.
Bye.
I know you're reliving the glory days, but you gotta leave.
Bye.
All right, bye.
So for more information on all the contests and all the rules, check out your email. We're going to be sending you some stuff. Check out all our Facebook pages where we'll post it, and check our YouTube page. You'll see all the list of offices that you can go to and any other rules that might apply.
Yeah, and then when you actually go to an office and ask someone there if you can get your picture taken with them, don't be shy. Just tell them what you're there for. Tell them a little bit about the competition and where this is all coming from, and they'll gladly take the picture with you. And then you just send it to us, and you get money every time you do that. Cha-ching.
Yes, push yourself outside of your comfort zone. Get that money.
Yeah.